The second piece of equipment that we use to communicate with our horse is called the bridle. The bridle is usually made out of leather, and it's a harness with a bit that fits over the horse's head. The reins we use to steer the horse while riding. In this video, I will teach you the different names of the parts of the bridle. I will teach you how to put the bridle on your horse, take off the bridle from your horse, clean the bridle, and store it properly. Let's talk about the different parts of the bridle. This part here is called the headpiece. The headpiece is connected to the brow band. Down here is called the nose band. It goes around your horse's nose. And this is the bit that goes inside your horse's mouth. The bit is connected to the bridle by the cheek piece here. And the bit also has the reins. The reins are what you would hold in your hands when you're steering the horse. Around the horse's throat here is called the throat latch. We buckle the throat latch around our horse's throat. And my favorite part of the bridle is the bridle name tag, so that we know which bridle goes with which horse. And now I'm going to show you how to put the bridle on your pony or horse. Step 1, make sure you're standing on the left side of your pony or horse, and your pony or horse are on your right side. Step 2, detach the cross ties or the safety releases. Step 3, take the reins and place them around your horse's neck, over his head and around his neck. Then unbuckle the halter and rebuckle the halter around your horse's neck. This is for safety, in case he gets startled. Hopefully you can hold him here and reassure him. Now you're going to take your bridle and you're going to feed the bit into your horse or pony's mouth. If he doesn't open his mouth, you put your finger right here where there's no teeth, and that will help him open his mouth so that you don't bang his teeth. Gently take the headpiece up over his ears, organize his forelock and his mane. Now we're going to attach the nose band. So you're going to put the nose band on the inside of the cheek piece and attach it underneath his nose here. You're going to take the throat latch and attach it underneath his throat. Now, you'd like the throat latch to have about 4 fingers. Make sure it's nice and not too snug. And the nose piece, 1 or 2 fingers is usually pretty good. And then you're going to attach the keepers. So the nose band and the throat latch, you're going to put all the keepers in. And there you have it. Then we're going to take the halter off from around his neck. Make sure you don't put this on the ground so that the next person using the cross ties has a safe place to work. Put that on the side. Take the reins up over your horse's head. And now you can lead the horse. In another video, we will teach you how to lead your horse or pony around safely with the bridle on, using your reins. Usually, we take off the horse's bridle after we've gone for a ride. So now, I'm going to show you how to safely take off your horse's bridle back in the grooming or cross ties. All right, so first thing you're going to do is take your halter. And then you're going to take the reins and place them around your horse's neck so that he feels safe and secure. Then you're going to unlatch the throat latch and the nose band. So you're only going to unlatch the throat latch and the nose band, all right? Then carefully and gently, with your left hand, go over the horse's ears and gently let the horse spit the bit out. Take your halter and you're going to put the nose piece of the halter around your horse's nose and then the crown piece up over his ears and then close the latch. Finally, you're going to take the reins over his head. So now you have the bridle and the halter separated. And you're going to take your cross ties. These are safety, quick release cross ties. And attach it to the sides of the halter on both sides. And then we're going to put our bridle never on the floor. Put the bridle up on a bridle rack, and then now you can take care of your horse or pony in the cross ties. Now that my pony is put away and relaxing, enjoying some water and a snack, it's time to put my bridle away. What I like to do before I put my bridle away is make sure that the bit is nice and clean. So I'll take a bucket of water with a rag, and I'll just gently wipe down the bit to make sure there's no spit or grass on the bit, so that the next time I go riding, my bit is clean and ready to go. And I also, about once a week, make sure that I take good care of the leather and give it a good clean and a condition. Now let me show you how I put the bridle away properly. I'm going to show you how I properly store my bridle in the tack room. We have a bridle rack here. I'm going to take the headpiece and put it on the bridle rack, and then the top of the reins where the buckle is, I'm also going to put that on top. Then I'm going to take the nose band and the brow band, which are facing forward. I'm going to take the nose band and wrap it around the cheek pieces and slide it through the keeper so that it is ready, clean, and organized and out of the way for next time. And now I want to show you how to put the bridle on a horse. This is my friend Cortez. Step 1, unsnap the quick release ties, the cross ties. Step 2, take your reins and gently place them over your horse's head. You have your horse by the reins now. Unsnap the halter and take that over the horse's ears. Put that on your shoulder like a purse. Hold the crown piece with your right hand and the bit with your left hand, and gently feed the bit to the horse. Use your thumb to gently ask the horse to open his mouth so that you don't hurt his teeth, and then with your right hand pull the crown piece up over his ears, like that. You organize his mane and his forelock. Then take your nose band and make sure it's underneath the cheek piece so that you can actually steer the reins on the bit, and attach it underneath his chin. The nose band should not be too tight or too loose. 1 or 2 fingers is about right. And then we're going to attach the throat latch. You want to make sure the throat latch is not too tight, and make sure to put all the straps in their keepers, about 4 fingers here. And now you have your horse, his bridle on, and you're ready to go for a ride.